So, hello everybody. Today was phone day, so I got a new Samsung Galaxy Note 9. No more iPhones for this guy. This is what the outside of the box looks like. It's got the stylus, the pen, the S Pen is what they call it on the outside. For whatever reason, while they were populating my phone at the Sprint store, yeah, they forgot to give me the cover of the box. So anyway, the cover of the box comes here. On the bottom is where you have your serial numbers and stuff like that, and you don't need to know my serial numbers. But if you're opening it on the side, there's two pieces of tape here. You perforate those, and then this comes open like so. The phone is on top, and it's in a little cradle like this. We'll put that aside for now. Says a little thing here, it says Galaxy Note 9. Now you'll notice, my girlfriend noticed right away, that everything is black, which is in direct contrast to the iPhone, which is white. She said she feels like she's gone to the dark side. But, you know, there's chocolate on the dark side. There's this little tool here. I'm guessing that this is a reset tool. I'm guessing that somewhere on the phone, there's probably a little, like maybe this hole right here, is like a manual reset. Because the reason I say that is because, well, we had an interesting thing happen with our iPhones. They, my girlfriend's iPhone 8 froze, and anyway, she was trying to install the latest update, and that's why we and it froze. So that's why we went with the Android. So inside the top of this is the documentation, health and safety things. They have to give you this, I guess, and how to transfer stuff from the cloud. So that's pretty cool, even though they did all that at the store for me. Here you see the standard Samsung wall charger, which says adaptive fast charging. I have a couple of these. I had some old Samsung phones before I went to the iPhone, and then back now, and also for a tablet. So this is their standard plug, and I'm guessing that that's this right here. Well, let's take out this first. So here we got a little setup that falls away. What is this? This looks like it is... Oh, I see what they are. So these are the several, I don't know if you can see inside there, several different sized earpieces that go with your earphones. Standard plug. Another reason why I went back to the Android phone, the Galaxy phone, instead of the iPhone, because that lightning thing, I can use all of my headphones, and I have many different headphones now. I can use all of those again. This is interesting. This is a little clamp. There's a little clamp in here, and that's for getting your, if for some reason your S Pen gets stuck, and here's the S Pen. I guess I should probably show you why it's called a Galaxy Note, because at the bottom here on the right hand side, you click on that and this pen pops out, and this pen does all kinds of stuff. But anyway, if it gets stuck in there, then you can use this clamp to help you get it out, I guess, if you don't have any fingernails. And if you can see that real close in there, there's two tiny little nibs or tips. I guess they're replacement tips for the top of the pen. See the little tip there? So those are replacements for that. And this is brand new to me, so I'm gonna learn with you guys. Okay, so this is for the charger. This is just your standard, you know, USB cable. No big sweat there. yeah, and that's it. And then there's just some paper here to hold everything together. So that's what you get in the box with the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. So I hope this video is informative. If you're missing any of this stuff and you bought one online, or now you know to go ahead and ask for all that back. So yep, I'm excited. We're going to be doing a lot of videos here to show you how to use this, because I'm going to learn all over again. I have some Android devices. I have a couple tablets, so I'm not entirely unfamiliar with Android, but the latest version and the special features of the Note are things that I'm going to do as a series on this channel. So if you want to be informed of updates that, you want to subscribe. So subscribe to the channel. That helps me, because that makes me feel like I'm not wasting my time here and yours by making these videos, and that'll help me to get Google to pay me some money for making these videos. And if you like the video, go ahead and hit a like, and I appreciate your time. If you have any comments or questions you want to see, suggest what the next video is, please do. So have a great day, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Take care.